Got some new extension sets to look at today from Koken. These are 3H drive, all made in Japan, but they're from the company Koken USA. That's our US distributor for Koken tools, which are made in Japan. Now, I love the brand Koken. Their tools are amazing, and I really love the low backdrag ratchets, and I also have fallen in love with their nut grip sockets. They've got a little ball detent. They hold onto nuts and bolts and really make your life a lot easier as a mechanic. And I really like the extension set that I had here, the Wobble Fix extensions, and I've been using them for a while. I already did a review on these, but I wanted to pick up a few more of their extension sets, and so I thought I'd make a quick little video kind of highlighting some of the differences between the extensions, and we'll talk about why I picked them up as well. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Just a quick little unboxing or comparison between the different extension sets that I picked up from Koken USA. Now, as I mentioned, I already had this one here, the Wobble Fix extension, and I really like them and I use them quite often. Now, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this one here because, as I mentioned, I already did a review on this Wobble Fix design or these Wobble Fix extensions, but I really do like them. I use them quite often, usually in the wobble position. Now, one of the complaints I had previously about Wobble Fix extensions is that when you want them to be in the wobble position only, you would push on that and it would accidentally go to the fixed position, then you had to take it off and reset. And that still does happen with these, although it's better than some of the other ones that I've used. So I kind of just decided at some point it was time for me to see what else was out there, see what else is available, and that's why I picked up these additional sets. Now we'll start with this one here. This is the PK3760/6. This is just a standard straight 6-piece extension set. Now the sizes on these are all in millimeters. It's 32, 50, 75, 125, 150, and 250. Now why would I want just a straight extension versus this here, the Wobble Fix that I already own? Now of course you can use the Wobble Fix as a fixed extension and it seems to work fine, and I've used it that way for many years. But why would I want just a straight extension? Well, for one, take a look at the shaft diameter. You can see that the fixed version is quite a bit larger in diameter compared to the Wobble Fix shaft. So you're just gonna get less twist in this one here because of that larger diameter, and of course that's going to transfer more torque into the fastener or breaking something loose or tightening something. Now the other reason is it's nice to have a duplicate length sometimes when I'm doing a job, you know, if I've got multiple ratchets, you know, or if I'm using cordless tools along with these ratchets, it's nice to have more than one of the same length, especially if you're doing a lot of socket change or going from cordless to a manual ratchet to a torque wrench. It just seems to make things go a little bit faster if you've got some of the same length, and so I was pretty happy about that too. Now you'll notice we have really nice knurling on the end here, which really for me acts as a little bit of a thumb spinner here. See how easy that is to turn? It's not just the knurling though, it also has these cutouts in between the knurling, which gives you extra grip, but that's also designed to prevent these from rolling or rolling off of a workbench or down the driveway. That's one of the things that's also unique about these Koken extensions. Now moving on to the next set here, this is part number PK3763L-3. It's a 3-piece set. Now this one here is a locking Wobble Fix extension. So locking in the sense that you pull back on this collar and that will lock the socket in place. Let's do that real quick. Let's do that with a nut grip socket here. So you pull that back and that locks the socket in place. Now when you put it on, you do have the ability to push it all the way to make it fixed. So you can see that that's not wobbling right now, but you can pull it off into the wobble position. But here's the difference. The difference between this one and the Wobble Fix here is this one will not push back to the fixed position. So if you want a wobble and you need it to stay a wobble as you're trying to get onto a fastener, these are going to be a better solution than the Wobble Fix, especially if you need to lock onto that socket and you can't risk that coming off, you know, if you're in a kind of a sketchy situation. Now that actually happened to me recently on a spark plug job. I was using these magnetic spark plug sockets from Koken that I really like. Now I was using this here, just a standard Wobble Fix extension, and what happened was I was tightening things, and then when I went to pull this out, now I'm just gonna hold on to the spark plug here by the threads and demonstrate this, but I went to pull this one out and the magnetic spark plug socket stayed on the spark plug. So see if you push that back in, and sometimes if you pull on it straight, you can get it to come off, but I was kind of pulling at it, I guess, at a little bit of an angle, and I ended up only getting the extension. And you know, for a minute there, of course, you panic because it's down in that spark plug too, but I just popped this back in and got it right out. But that is not going to happen now with this one here with the locking Wobble Fix. Let's put this one on. So we needed a wobble because this was a really steep entrance to that spark plug tube. And that's one of the things I do like about their spark plug sockets is they're kind of carved out here on the side so that it gives you even more ability to kind of flex into there. Now with this one here, you can pull on that and it's going to keep your spark plug socket. So it still holds it with the magnet, but you pull on that and you're going to get your socket out now every time without having to worry about this getting stuck. So that's one of the reasons I really wanted to pick these up. I really like this idea and this seems like it's going to work out great. Now that's not just for a spark plug socket. You know, even these right here, the nut grip, they also might hold on to a nut or a bolt. When you're trying to pull this out, you might lose your socket as well, but not now because we've got it locked on there. It does not come off until you pull back on that collar. So just a 3-piece set here. The sizes are 75, 125, and 250. And they do have the same knurling here on the end. The knurling really does help having it right here rather than down here on the shaft because you can use that as a thumb spinner as well. And that's one of the things that I really like about these extensions is that, that knurling. Real aggressive knurling, and these seem like they're gonna work out great. Now this shaft is also not as thick as the straight shaft. You know, if you need maximum torque, I guess you'll grab the straight extensions, especially if you don't need the wobble feature. But really nice to have these locking wobble or locking wobble fix. Again, you can put it on as a fixed socket. It's just only when you initially put it on, because if you pull it off, it goes to wobble. You can't push it back unless you pull back again on that collar and you can slide it up to fixed. So pretty versatile extension, and I really am happy about these ones here. These will be getting a lot of use. Now this last set over here, this is the Z-Series 3/8 drive locking extension set. This is a 4-piece set. Part number on this is KB-3760LZ/4. Now the Z-Series extensions are a little bit different. Besides the fact that this is locking, it also does not have the knurling on the back here. Sizes on these ones are 75, 125, 250, and 400. Take a look at that. 400 millimeters, that's just over 16 inches in a locking extension. Now you never know when you might need an extension that long, but I love having that amount of reach. It's really impressive, especially if you're reaching that deep into an engine or into an engine bay or into whatever you're working on. It's pretty nice to have that locking feature because I can't even tell you how many times, you know, we've gotten something done and then you go to pull your tool out and the socket comes off or gets knocked off and you lose that 10 millimeter socket in the engine bay. This is a 17, but of course 10 millimeters always disappear. But having that locked on there, you're gonna be able to get that job done, whether it's loosening it, taking it apart, or tightening it. Sometimes you do need that extra reach, and I really love the fact that this is locking as well. But there you go, that's everything for today. That's all of these extension sets in a nutshell. I'm really excited to get to use all of them. Of course, it depends on what type of project I'll be working on or what application. You know, for the quick change stuff, I'll probably stick with the Wobble Fix and the straight here just because it's a little bit easier to pull those sockets off. But if you are in a situation like working in a spark plug tube or deep in an engine bay, it's really nice to have the ability to lock that socket in place, knowing that you're not going to lose that or lose the socket with your fastener. The locking wobble is going to be so valuable, especially with some really tight access where you just need a little bit of an offset or a little bit of an angle. The straight locking extensions are going to be wonderful as well. When you're working deep in that engine bay and you just can't afford to lose that fastener, these are going to come in really handy. But that's pretty much it. I got to tell you guys, I've been really impressed, really happy with all of the quality of Koken tools, and I've been using them for several years now. I love using them, and I'm looking forward to using all of these different extension sets as well. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to Koken USA for sponsoring this video and sending me these tools in exchange for this quick little review or unboxing video. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description to kokenusa.com along with my coupon code. I'll put it up here on the screen as well. It's Dan the Fix-It Man 10, and that's going to get you 10% off site-wide on any of these tools. I highly recommend you look at their ratchets, these extensions, and their nut grip sockets. All of their stuff is amazing, and definitely would recommend you spend some time over there and pick something up. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.